Anaka also Amen. No get back yeah, they want to make it. How do you feel it? You can say but how you able Shaguru Haka to Bashan Nakana. I am the way today. Oh, to name another simple. The one maker. Yeah.
Eneka say Anioma. Yeah. Anioma. Yeah.
So the little manaka left shoulder. Ask for then Hake Basaro walk and all. The one make out. Yeah. Yes, you want to say?
Eneka say Anioma. Yeah. Anioma. Our distinguished senators, currently President General of Igbo in general, Moro, Libeke, Mukuradu, who was in charge. Obu Eneke Chineke. How block a mass in your blood, how much we make, how much they give me, the position has been considered to you. Nobody can challenge you. You have black one ship, who is name also have it. I'm a man type of Nekia, Ada, and Chola Boga, Aka, Obomene, and the catcher made the correct for the Haka. No, I am a very great grand reception in respect of this their position. Any day, any day, but you have last one guys. I am your dog, make out,
showing that Oshoro. Yes. The one maker.
If you about the money, we are prepared, sir. To make sure I can know what we choke to name not the town one year. Unhappily, man. That reception. The Sunday also, you have to place a Thanksgiving. For giving you to us. To avoid the risk of repetition. PG, very distinguished Senator John Mbata JP, DSSRS, Eneka Kamaka Netwa, Beredepu Beyadule. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Okay, my people, you all have watched the video. The people you are seeing there in that video are from Eneka community in Ikwerre land. Eneka community is a community in Ikwerre land with their own king. As you can see in that video, their king is blessing the president of Ohaneze Ndigbo in person of Senator John Azuta. He's blessing the senator and wishing him the best in his journey as the president of Ohaneze Ndigbo. The people of Eneka community are in full support of Senator John Azuta. They love him and they are wishing him well. This is to tell you that not every Ikwerre people believe that they are not Igbos. Many of them know that they are Igbos and they support Igbo unity. They want the entire Igbo race to unite. Just look at the joy there. They came all the way from their community just to visit Senator John Azuta Mbata to congratulate him. May Chukwu bless that community. May Chukwu bless that their king. May Chukwu bless each and every one of them that visited our able president to congratulate him. And you must know that these news channels all around the country, we never post such a thing. So many bloggers, all these anti-Igbo bloggers, you will never see them post news like this. The only news that they will post is, Eneka community said they are not Igbo, Opobo people said they are not Igbo, Ikwerre said they are not Igbo, Yes, so we can say he's not Igbo, the Igbo race are not one people, these people say they are not Igbo, they are on their own, anything that is against Igbo agenda and unity is the only thing that they post. But they will fail in the sense that we Igbos are the ones posting our success. That's why we are expected to post anything Igbo on our platforms. Let's promote Igbo. We have so many Igbo bloggers everywhere. Those our bloggers should start posting anything Igbo. They should start posting things like this to enlighten our people. We know that there are some Ikwerre people saying they are not Igbo. Let's also have it in mind that there are so many Ikwerre people that identify as Igbo. Eneka communities stand as an Igbo community. Their dialect is Ikwerre. Everything about them is Ikwerre. They identify as Igbos because they know that Ikwerre people are Igbos. That's why they are in full support of Senator John Azuta Mbata. And we must know that Obako Ikwerre is not speaking on the behalf of the entire Ikwerre people. Obako Ikwerre is just for their own interest, for their selfish interest. Like, they don't want to make the day as part of the Igbo. They just want them on their own as a separate people. That's why when it comes to history, they don't know what to say. They will just be saying all sorts of things just to make you believe that Ikwerre is not Igbo. Ikwerre people are Igbos. And many Ikwerre people can testify to it. Their language, culture, and tradition is Igbo. There are so many organizations in Ikwerre land, different people from different communities. They are visiting this president of Ohaneze Ndigbo to congratulate him. It's a welcome development. We appreciate it. May Chukwu bless the people of Eneka community. They did the right thing. Ikwerre people are Igbos. And we, the entire Igbo people, are in support of Senator John Azuta Mbata. Remain blessed, my people. Ishia Wale.